Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about this new chapter. Chapter 2, Whole Numbers. Now let us start with the introduction. Natural numbers. Visiting a society. This society contains a lot of houses and has numbers written on them like house number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Observe the numbers. Now let's compare these numbers with the number line. If we look at this, then it is nothing but counting numbers, and it is often called natural numbers. N denotes a natural number set. And now we will revise the topic called predecessor and successor. Predecessor. Predecessor meaning in maths is a number that precedes another number or comes before the given number. In other words, the predecessor of a given number is 1 less than the given number. Predecessor equals to number minus 1. Successor. Successor meaning in maths is a number that succeeds another number or comes after the given number. In other words, successor of a given number is 1 more than the given number. Successor equals to number plus 1. Let's understand it better with examples. Examples for predecessor and successor. Example 1. Location of houses. House just before house number 4 equals to house number 3. House just after house number 4 equals to house number 5. House 3 is the predecessor of house 4 and house 5 is the successor of house 4. Example 2. Jahangir is the predecessor of Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan is the successor of Jahangir and the predecessor of Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb is the successor of Shah Jahan. Next is the practice question. Write the predecessor and successor of a given number. 500 is the given number. If we add 1, we get 501, which is the successor of 500. If we subtract 500 with 1, we get 499, which is the predecessor of 500. Try it yourself. Write the predecessor of 9999. Hope you got the answer. Let's see the answer now. Solution. For predecessor, 9999 minus 1 equals to 9998. So the predecessor of 9999 is 9998. I hope these things are clear to you. Important points. The successors of all natural numbers are natural numbers. Predecessor of all natural numbers are natural numbers. Expect 1. 1 has no predecessors in natural number. It is the smallest natural number. Now let us move on to the main part of this session. Whole numbers. In natural numbers, we have observed that 1 has no predecessor because 0 is not included in the natural number. The natural numbers, along with 0, form a collection of whole numbers. So if we add 0 to the natural number, then we get a collection of whole numbers. And in whole number, 1 has a predecessor as 0. Definition of the whole number. If we add 0 to the natural number, then it will become the whole number. Whole numbers on the number line. Whole numbers on the number line are written the same as the natural numbers, but 0 is included before 1. The whole numbers on the number line increase from left to right and decrease from right to left. Between any two consecutive numbers, we cannot mark any whole number. For example, there is no whole number between 3 and 4. But between any two non-consecutive numbers, we can mark at least one whole number. For example, there is one whole number between 3 and 5, that is 4. Similarly, there are two whole numbers between 3 and 6, these are 4 and 5. Now let's practice this. Example 1. Write how many chocolates there are between the two marbles. After counting the chocolates, we can say that there are 4 chocolates between two marbles. Example 2. Write how many numbers are there between 10 and 15. Solution. First, we write all the whole numbers from 10 to 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we can observe that there are 4 whole numbers between 10 and 15. Try some examples at your home for better understanding. Is everything clear now? Now let's see some important points that we learned today. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All counting numbers are whole numbers. All positive integers, including 0, are whole numbers. 0 is the smallest whole number. W denotes the whole number. 0 is the only whole number that does not have predecessors, in which number 1 has a predecessor as 0. Successor of all whole numbers are whole numbers. Predecessor of all whole numbers are whole numbers, except 0. I hope you guys understood this topic. Let's meet in our next class with many more exciting topics. Thank you.